In the world of cryptocurrencies, Ethereum seems to be the name everyone knows. But in the last few months, its price has been on a roller coaster ride, leaving many investors wondering if they should buy, sell, or hold this popular token. Welcome to our channel where we cut through the noise to help you make smarter investing decisions. In this video, we will delve into the reasons behind ETH's recent price surge and analyze the outlook for the rest of 2024 and beyond. Make sure to watch till the end where we will give you our professional opinion backed by solid reasoning. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Current state of affairs: the crypto market is back to its volatile old ways. Bitcoin prices rose 119% in 2024, easily outpacing the S&P 500 stock market index's 23% gain. By February 28th, Bitcoin had dropped 8.6% below the year-end price level, while the S&P 500 had gained a modest 1.4%. But Bitcoin's volatility is just a serene breeze next to the unpredictable pricing gale around Ethereum. The second largest cryptocurrency fell 33% last year, and followed up with another 31.4% price drop across January and February. So Ethereum is falling out of favor with the cryptocurrency investing community. Is this the start of a long downtrend, or is Ethereum poised for a robust comeback from these dark days? And how should investors approach this fickle digital asset? To understand why the Ether token has suffered such steep price drops in the past, we need to look at the current state of play. Ethereum uses a consensus mechanism called proof of stake, which means validators who want to process transactions must hold and stake Ether. This staked Ether earns interest in the form of transaction fees. However, due to high levels of network usage, these fees have been exceptionally high. This makes it tough for small players to join the network, as they need significant capital to purchase enough Ether to validate transactions. Furthermore, because of the current economic climate, there is a fear that Ether could lose value against the dollar. This is causing many holders to sell and exit the network. The situation is exacerbated by the fact that there is no regulation in the space, meaning bad actors can freely manipulate markets and influence prices. All these factors combined have led to the sharp decline in Ether's value over the past year. However, the team behind Ethereum is working hard to address these issues through a series of upgrades known as Ethereum 2.0. The most significant change is the switch from proof of work to proof of stake, which aims to reduce transaction fees and open up validation to smaller players. While the upgrade is not yet complete, the network's developers are working hard to make it happen. While Ethereum is still considered a risky investment, savvy investors understand the potential benefits of holding the world's second largest crypto. They recognize that the upcoming upgrades will likely increase its value and security, making it an attractive long-term prospect. Volatility and price prediction: it's undeniable that Ethereum is highly volatile. Its price has skyrocketed in the past, only to plummet just as dramatically. Despite this, it remains the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. So what does the future hold for Ether? Will its price continue to rise, or is a correction on the horizon? To answer this question, it helps to look at some price predictions. The first prediction comes from Fundstrat Global, whose analysts are bullish on Ether. They predict that the altcoin could reach $7,000 by December 2024, citing the increasing popularity of decentralized applications and the shift towards proof of stake. However, it's important to note that Fundstrat Global has a history of making overly optimistic price predictions. Another source, Glassnode, takes a more conservative approach. Their analysts believe that Ether could reach $3,000 by December 2024. This prediction is based on the current market conditions and the overall adoption of blockchain technology. Although it's impossible to predict the future price of Ether with accuracy, These predictions offer some insight into where the market experts believe it's headed. One thing's for sure, though, Ether is likely to remain volatile in the short term. However, long-term holders can expect steady growth as the technology matures and adoption increases. Should you buy, sell, or hold Ethereum? Now that we've covered the current state of Ethereum and its future price predictions, it's time to answer the ultimate question. Should you buy, sell, or hold Ethereum? If you decide to buy, it's crucial to invest responsibly and practice good risk management. Similarly, if you choose to sell, do so strategically and diversify your portfolio. Lastly, if you prefer to hold, stay informed about the latest developments and assess your investment goals. Regardless of your decision, here are a few things to keep in mind. First, Ethereum is still considered a high-risk investment, so be prepared for market volatility. Second, the cryptocurrency market is highly speculative and influenced by external factors such as government, regulations, and technological advancements. Finally, it is essential to stay updated on the latest news and developments surrounding Ethereum and the wider crypto market. So what's the verdict? Should you buy, sell, or hold Ethereum? Well, that depends on your individual circumstances and investment goals. For long-term investors seeking exposure to the crypto market, buying Ethereum could be a good option. However, those looking for more stability may prefer to hold instead. Ultimately, the decision is yours, and it's important to do your research and invest responsibly. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights on investing in cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching. What are the advantages of Ethereum? There are several advantages to using Ethereum. First, it is open source and decentralized, meaning that no single entity has control over the network. This makes it resistant to censorship and allows anyone to participate. Second, Ethereum is programmable, allowing developers to build decentralized applications dApps on top of the network. These dApps can perform a wide variety of functions, including financial transactions, gaming, and social media. Third, Ethereum is a platform for creating tokens. Tokens are digital assets that can represent anything of value. This allows entrepreneurs to raise funds through the sale of tokens and build new businesses on the Ethereum network. Fourth, Ethereum is global and borderless. This means that anyone in the world can use Ethereum to transact without having to worry about international borders or currency exchange rates. Fifth, Ethereum is fast and secure. Transactions are confirmed in a matter of seconds, and the network is protected from fraud and double spending. Finally, Ethereum is constantly evolving and improving. The developers are always working on ways to make the network faster, cheaper, and more secure. What are the disadvantages of Ethereum? Despite its many advantages, Ethereum also has some disadvantages. First, Ethereum is still relatively new and unproven. It has only been around since 2015 and has yet to go through a full cycle of bull and bear markets. Second, Ethereum is complex and difficult to understand. This can be a barrier to entry for many users. Third, Ethereum is vulnerable to attacks. Although the network is secure, it is still possible for hackers to exploit vulnerabilities and steal funds. Fourth, Ethereum is not very scalable. The network can only process a limited number of transactions per second, which can lead to congestion and high fees during periods of high usage. Fifth, Ethereum is subject to government regulation. Although it is decentralized, Ethereum is still a digital asset and therefore subject to the laws and regulations of various governments. Finally, Ethereum is volatile. The price of Ethereum can fluctuate wildly, which makes it a risky investment. Is Ethereum a good investment? Only time will tell whether Ethereum will live up to its potential and become the global digital currency. However, despite the risks, many investors believe that Ethereum is a good investment. Here are a few reasons why. First, Ethereum is the most popular and well-known cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. This gives it a significant advantage over other altcoins. Second, Ethereum has a strong development community. There are thousands of developers building on the Ethereum platform, and this ecosystem is constantly growing. Third, Ethereum has a large and active user base. There are millions of people using Ethereum every day to transact and build dApps. Fourth, Ethereum is backed by some of the best venture capital firms in the world. These firms see the potential of Ethereum and are investing heavily in the project. Fifth, Ethereum is a deflationary asset. This means that the supply of Ethereum is constantly decreasing, which can lead to higher prices over time. Finally, Ethereum is still early. The cryptocurrency market is still in its infancy, and Ethereum is still one of the best investments. For those looking to get in on the ground floor, what are some risks to be aware of? As with any investment, there are risks to be aware of. First, Ethereum is a highly volatile asset. The price of Ethereum can fluctuate wildly, which means that you could lose a lot of money if you're not careful. Second, Ethereum is still relatively new. It's unclear how the network will behave over the long term. Third, Ethereum is susceptible to attacks. Although the network is secure, it's possible that hackers could exploit vulnerabilities and steal funds. Fourth, Ethereum is not very scalable. The network can only process a limited number of transactions per second, which means that it could become congested and expensive to use during periods of high usage. Fifth, Ethereum is subject to government regulation. Although it's decentralized, Ethereum is still a digital asset and therefore subject to the laws and regulations of various governments. Sixth, Ethereum faces competition. There are many other cryptocurrencies vying for market share, and some of them could end up being more popular than Ethereum. Finally, Ethereum is not immune to market sentiment. If people lose interest in cryptocurrencies, then Ethereum could suffer as well. Final thoughts: Ethereum has come a long way since its launch in 2014, and it is clear that the platform has enormous potential. As the second largest crypto, it has plenty of room to grow. The upcoming upgrades promise to make the network faster, cheaper, and more secure, attracting even more users and developers. However, as with any investment, it's important to do your own research and be aware of the risks before making a decision. For those willing to take the risk, though, Ethereum could be a profitable addition to your portfolio. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Our team of experts will be happy to answer any queries you may have. We're committed to providing our viewers with the most accurate and up-to-date information on the cryptocurrency market. Stay tuned for more updates.